A classic roadster under 5 grand? Let's take a look. This 1979 MGB Blue Convertible is one of those small but charming British roadsters that became popular in the late 70s for their mix of simplicity, lightweight handling, and open-top fun. The car is listed in good used condition, and the seller notes that it runs well, which is always a great sign considering the age of these cars. Many MGBs on the market today need heavy mechanical work just to start, so finding one that already fires up and drives makes this a solid starting point for a weekend cruiser or an easy restoration project. The exterior comes in a clean blue finish, a color that suits the MGB's classic lines and keeps that vintage European character alive. The soft top is brand new, though it still needs a little adjustment on the snaps. Pretty typical for fresh canvas roofs that haven't fully formed to the frame yet. It's a small, easy fix, especially for anyone who's used to tinkering with convertible hardware. Inside, the seller includes a new radio and speakers, still waiting to be installed. This gives the next owner a chance to modernize the audio system without affecting the car's originality. Along with that, the seller mentions lots of extra new parts, which could include maintenance items, trim pieces, or small components that often save time and money during restoration. Overall, this MGB represents an affordable entry into classic car ownership. With simple mechanical systems and widely available parts, these cars are known for being beginner-friendly and surprisingly inexpensive to maintain. The seller is asking $4,100 or best offer and explicitly says the car needs to go. That usually means a motivated seller and a good opportunity for anyone looking for a budget classic roadster that runs, drives, and just needs some finishing touches to shine. If you want a classic that's easy to fix and fun to drive, this MGB is a rare find.